Hello and welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are good. So let's see, can you guess the recipe which I am going to make today? It is a sweet which entered India with the Persians, and it is also our national sweet. Yes, you guessed right. It's jalebi. And do you know that jalebis were used to cure headaches in northern India while it is taken along with warm milk? And even jalebi dunkin in milk is great sudden remedy for curing migraines. So for this special Holi celebration, let's give our taste buds a treat. So for the preparation of jalebi batter, here I have taken maida 250 grams, curd 250 ml, besan 1 tablespoon, ghee 2 tablespoon, and for the color, I have used a pinch of turmeric. As the batter has to ferment overnight for the authentic recipe, I have already mixed everything and kept overnight. The batter's consistency has to match similar like cake batter. Now mix the batter well before pouring into the squeezy bottle. This I have taken a normal squeezy bottle. With the help of this, you will be able to give good shape to your jalebis. Now before going to make jalebis, let's prepare the sugar syrup. For this, I have taken almost 3 cups of sugar. And 3 cups of water. And now I am adding 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder, and let's turn the sugar syrup to one string consistency. So within 15 minutes you can see that your sugar syrup will be ready. Let's take a flat pan to make jalebis. Add oil, or you can even add half ghee and half oil. Now slowly pour the batter in circular motion. Keep the heat medium to low. And let's cook the jalebi well from both the sides. Now after taking out from oil, immediately dunk into the sugar syrup, otherwise it won't absorb the whole sugar syrup into it. So here our jalebis are ready. You can garnish the jalebis with almonds and pistachio or any of the dry fruits. Hope you like the recipe and wish you all a very happy Holi. And please don't forget to hit the like button, and please share to your friends and family. And those who have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel. Until next video, bye bye.